Some of the greatest tips so you can make an online income. Learning how to make money online is something that many people today are searching for to help supplement their income. It can be a simple way to put a few extra bucks in your pocket, or if you're lucky it can earn you a great living. Either way, there is something for everyone to learn with the tips in the following video, so keep watching. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. Make a schedule daily for yourself. Making money online is related to your perseverance in doing what you are doing on a regular basis. There are no fast routes to loads of money. You've got to put in the hard work. Carve out a specific time frame daily. Spend at least 1 hour per day on your craft. If you intend to make money online, join at least one forum first. There is a lot to be learned, and you can do so from other people's mistakes, rather than having to make your own. Introduce yourself, ask questions and make connections too. Networking for online money-making situations can turn into very lucrative jobs. As you can see from the above video, it is easy to understand how to make money online when you get the knowledge through great tips. You can join the millions of people worldwide who make money each day, if you pay close attention to the tips that you have just read. Making money online is a skill, and if you continue to study good tips and ideas such as these, there is no reason why you cannot make lots of money online. Student loan.